Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds Philips using your phone. All you need to have for this, just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Connect USB-C cable to your phone. Then, at the back side of the charging case, we have USB-C port. Connect the second USB-C cable right to this port. Now, the most important is to see this LED light, what meaning that your earbuds are charging. And this one is the only one way to charge your earbuds using your phone, because this earbuds doesn't support wireless charging, so we cannot use reverse wireless charging, even if your phone supports this technology. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!